Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, how to get started, where and when to apply, drawbacks, and the different considerations before choosing this product. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
The Easy Set Rat Trap is a lethal rodent trap. This product is made from sturdy ABS plastic and steel and is a simple but effective alternative to the traditional wooden rodent traps. The Easy Set Rat Trap can control many different types of rodents, but we recommend it primarily for rats. Before using the Easy Set traps, be sure to wear gloves. Wearing gloves anytime you handle the trap, clean or refill the trap, or move the location of the trap is important, not only to ensure safety and sanitation, but also because the rodents will smell human scent on the bait or trap and will avoid it. As the name suggests, setting the Easy Set Rat Trap is simple. While wearing gloves, place your bait inside the reservoir in the center of the trap. Peanut butter works well as a bait and is easy to apply. Then use both thumbs to press down the upright metal bar until it clicks into place and your trap is set. For indoor use, place each trap along your walls 10 to 15 feet apart. Focus on areas where you've seen rat activity, such as small holes or entrances to their burrows, and in tight spaces like attics or pantries. For outdoor use, you can place each trap 15 to 20 feet apart in areas where rats frequent, but we recommend placing traps inside of a tamper-proof bait station. This is not only because rats prefer dark and closed spaces, but it also protects children and pets from hurting themselves with the traps. Place these stations along walls and burrows and anywhere the rodents frequent. Before activating the traps, set them out with bait for 2 to 3 days to allow the rats to become accustomed to them. Then set your traps and check them daily to clear any dead rodents and reapply bait. Continue to set the traps until your rodent problem is gone. Once your rodent problem is gone, Easy Set traps can be easily cleaned and stored for future use. Easy Set rat traps are an instant kill. Remember to check the traps daily to clear any dead rodents and reapply the bait. The design of the Easy Set rat trap makes cleaning the trap easy and sanitary, since you will not have to come in contact with the carcass. Simply pull back the set bar to release the rodent. Try not to completely clean the traps during an active infestation, as rodents will smell their own scent on the traps and feel more comfortable around them. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. For rats and other rodents, we've come up with treatment methods that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the card in the top right to get more information. The Easy Set rat traps are a quick and efficient way to take care of your rodent problems, but the aftermath can be unsettling to some people. Traps also need to be checked and cleared daily. If other rats see a dead rat in the trap, they will avoid it in the future, reducing its effectiveness. If these concern you, check out Eradication Rodent Bait. Eradication takes 2 to 4 days to kill rats so that they will not become shy to the bait, and they will often die away from the bait station or even outdoors, eliminating the need for cleanup.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.